The world is happy. And why is it happy? Because of Bhutan. Did Bhutan crack jokes to make the world laugh? Now that would make more sense than G and H being a way to measure an entire country's happiness. But alas, I speak the truth, and nothing but the truth. Bhutan came up with the concept. In 1972, the fourth Dragon King started it. Not a real dragon, guys, but an actual human king. I wonder if he breathed fire. Nah, I don't think so. Now beat this. Instead of just focusing on making his kingdom rich, he also tried to make his people smile. Not by cracking dad jokes, though. That would only end up with them rolling their eyes. In 1729, the Constitution of Bhutan said, "If the government cannot create happiness for its people, there is no purpose for the government." Sure, that's all hunky-dory, but how in the world can happiness be calculated? Apparently, there are 72 parameters and a scary-looking formula. Yeah, I blinked out too. But the UN definitely did not. In fact, they called a bunch of important folks to start something called the World Happiness Movement and asked the member nations to get on board the Happiness Express. The ticket to ride the Happiness Express stated that everyone is equal, they love their families, take care of their health, there is no discrimination, and every single person loves their job. Sounds like something your sociology teacher would say, doesn't it? Anyway, who can guess what's on March 20th? Let me give you a hint. It's the International Day of Happiness. How do you plan on celebrating such a special day? I'm going to spend the day eating candies and getting a sugar rush.